just in the last, I'd say maybe hour, we're getting this thing gutted. So it's down to the original interior paneling and everything, and got Poppy in here cracking the whip. And so basically what we're going to do is we're going to restructure the ceiling and put in some supportive 1x material up and down these walls after we put in our new windows that we're going to have. And ultimately we're going to thicken the wall. We're going to double its thickness and create a stronger skeleton in this thing that holds up the ceiling better, because we're going to put a new AC unit up there, and then once we have all of those beams in where they go, we're going to be able to cover it all up with new paneling, and everything in here will be brand new. We're going to put a new subfloor down and then new flooring throughout, skin the whole inside, paint the outside, and we'll have us a pretty much brand new camper that could become a business for somebody or a camper for somebody. So anybody interested in the old airflow, shoot me a direct message and we'll talk about it. But it's going to have brand new windows, brand new interior, brand new paint job, which I'm thinking is going to be a glossy black with some either turquoise or baby blue. In there with maybe a little bit of white here and there. I think it's going to look pretty damn cool. We're going to put the new classic moons on the hubs, and it's going to be shining with the black frame. We're going to put some diamond plate across the front right here. This thing's going to be badass. It's going to have a brand new roof, so it'll be for sale. All right, give me a call, shoot me a message, follow the progress. Morrow Boys with a Z Custom Trailers on Facebook, Morrow Custom Trailers on YouTube, Morrow Custom Trailers